Imagine a black hole. Now, imagine it's smaller than an atom. This is a primordial black hole, or PBH. They are not like the black holes born from dying stars. These are ancient remnants, possibly formed moments after the Big Bang. They are like ghosts, drifting through the universe unseen. PBHs are a mystery. We don't know for sure if they exist, but if they do, they could help us understand dark matter. This mysterious substance makes up most of the mass in the universe. Could these tiny black holes be passing through us right now? It's a fascinating thought, and while it might seem alarming, the reality is far less frightening than it sounds. The Big Bang was a chaotic event. In the first moments, the universe was incredibly dense and hot. Tiny fluctuations in this energy could have created PBHs. These PBHs would be much smaller than stellar black holes. Some might be as small as an atom. Others could be as large as asteroids. Their size depends on how much matter they captured during the universe's early moments. Despite their size, PBHs have immense density. They pack a lot of mass into a tiny space. This gives them strong gravitational pull even compared to their small size. The intense gravity of PBHs makes them intriguing objects. Imagine a PBH trapped inside a planet. It wouldn't sit still. Instead, it would slowly devour the planet from the inside. The PBH would act like a cosmic parasite, consuming the planet's core. Over time, this could leave the planet a hollow shell. This process could even happen to asteroids. Even more intriguing, a PBH passing through solid matter would leave a unique trace. It would create a microscopic tunnel, incredibly small but detectable. Imagine finding such a tunnel in a rock. What a story it would tell. Despite their destructive potential on a large scale, PBHs passing through the human body are surprisingly benign. Our bodies are not dense enough to be significantly affected by their gravity. Think of it like this. A PBH passing through you would be like a bullet passing through a cloud. The bullet might disrupt a few water droplets, but the cloud itself would remain largely intact. However, this doesn't mean the passage of a PBH would go unnoticed. The laws of physics still apply, and their passage would create some fascinating phenomena. My research at Vanderbilt University focuses on the effects of PBHs on the human body. While the PBH itself wouldn't cause much damage, its passage would create a shockwave. Imagine a supersonic jet breaking the sound barrier. The resulting sonic boom is a powerful shockwave. Similarly, a PBH moving faster than the speed of sound in our bodies would create a shockwave. This shockwave wouldn't be enough to kill us, but it would be detectable. It might feel like a sudden jolt or vibration passing through the body. Section 6. Ripples in the fabric. Besides the shockwave, a primordial black hole, or PBH, would also exert tidal forces on our bodies. These forces are caused by the difference in gravity's pull on different parts of an object. Imagine the Earth and the Moon. The Moon's gravity pulls more strongly on the side of Earth facing it. This difference in gravitational pull causes tides. Similarly, a PBH passing through us would create tiny tidal forces within our bodies. These forces would stretch and compress our cells at a microscopic level. Section 7. The limits of survival. While fascinating, the question remains, could these tidal forces harm us? My research indicates that for a PBH to cause significant injury, it would need to be incredibly massive. We're talking about a PBH with the mass of an asteroid. Such a PBH would create tidal forces strong enough to tear apart human tissue. Thankfully, the existence of such massive PBHs is highly unlikely. The smaller PBHs, which are more likely to exist, wouldn't cause any significant damage. Their tidal forces would be too weak to harm us. Section 8. A cosmic needle in a haystack. So, should we be worried about PBHs passing through us? The short answer is no. The probability of such an event is astronomically low. Think of it like this. You are more likely to win the lottery while simultaneously being struck by lightning than to have a PBH pass through you. Even if a PBH did pass through us, we likely wouldn't even notice. The effects would be too small to feel, let alone cause any harm. Section 9. Unseen whispers of the universe. While the idea of PBHs passing through us might seem unsettling, it's a testament to the vastness and wonder of the universe. These cosmic ghosts, if they exist, are a reminder that there's still so much we don't know. The search for PBHs continues. Scientists are looking for their telltale signs in the cosmos. Perhaps one day, we'll have definitive proof of their existence. Until then, we can marvel at the possibility of these ancient objects silently slipping through our world, whispers of the universe's fiery birth.